Hello, SilverTraderFM subscribers and viewers. Welcome to the NBA Mavs vs. Heat Precious Metal Halftime Show. So, we're seeing gold up $3, 0.2%. Silver is down negative 0.14 at 0.39%. Platinum down 3.16%. And copper down 0.0001 at 0.15%. Palladium is down negative 2.3, 0.28%. And one day relative performance, the commodity leading the race is sugar, up 3.2. Gold is up 0.2 here, and silver is down negative 0.4. Moving on to the charts, let's cover some gold first. It's pretty much pinching into this symmetrical triangle until Bernanke has to make a decision to continue QE2 with QE3 or to stop QE3 altogether and let the market and all commodities fall until he has to pick it up and make an excuse that he has no choice but to continue QE with a different name because everything is failing without it. So, that's the story of gold. It looks like it's going to be indecisive. Can go either up or down in the end of June timeframe, early July. So, let's talk a little bit about predictions, right? So, this was 2008, like the peak of silver, before the markets crashed and all the indexes, S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones pretty much crashed until October-ish, where silver bottomed out at $8.40 and followed this bullish pattern up. Then the markets once again continued to crash around the February-March timeframe, right, of 2010. However, silver still found support within this channel, bounced up, continued up in the channel until it was time to talk about QE3. The market's not looking too well. We need some more printing money. We need to pump up all these banks. We need to support all the failing banks. So, boom, touch and go. Broke up through the blue channel into this purple channel and continued up. November confirmed. We are pumping money in all the banks, and all our friends are all around the world that need bailouts because they're too big to fail. So continued up, took a rest in January. Then the Medes riots began, bringing up all the commodities, gold, silver, oil, everything continued in this red channel, right? Then big earthquake in Japan brought it down. However, continued in this secondary channel, a bit more parabolic in silver, all the way up to 49.82. Then, all of a sudden, we found Osama bin Laden after 10 years of looking for him. He finally appeared. Once we found his body, we wrapped it up, threw it into the ocean to make sure it's never identified by anybody that really wanted to find him. So that made a lot of sense. Margin hikes, everything possible to bring down silver. Brought down silver in a week. Found support at about 33 something dollars. Continuing within this bearish pennant, you notice the flagpole and the pennant, right? Maybe drawing this a little bit wrong, but that's my artistic interpretation of a bear flag or a bearish pennant, you know. So if you look at this, what am I trying to draw here? So if you look at the blue channel, that was the original 2008-2009 bull run, QE1. If you look at this purple channel, that's the QE2 channel. And this red breakout was, I don't know, kind of unexpected, but just so happened. Maybe that's all the speculators in silver. However, if we continue with QE2, it should have just been strolling nicely inside this channel until end of year. We would have broke 50. Right? We would have been at the top of this channel, somewhere up here. So if we did continue this channel, we'll be above 50 by end of year. But if we follow this bearish bear flag pennant pattern, if Bernanke decides not to say a word about QE3 and says we're going to see what the markets does without pumping more money into it, backed by nothing, then we may see another leg down, find some support at about 29.30, but we'll find major buying and support at the 22-23 range right here, and we'll continue within this channel until he says QE3 it is. We cannot let everything fail. Obama needs to be re-elected. Boom. We'll be back in the QE2 channel and may even find a breakout above this channel and hit 50 by August, September, October. Boom. Potentially with this sort of parabolic type channel once he announces QE3. Anyway, so let's see. Let's make a copy of this. Let's duplicate it. So that parabolic channel can happen here. Can happen down here. Can happen anywhere, right? Once he announces it, we may be on that same trajectory upward and may see 50 within a month or two of him announcing it. So instead of this time falling down, no matter what the CME does to margin requirements, it may not matter at that point. So it may happen here if he says let's do it. We may let the all commodities, oil, silver, gold fall down first, then say, oh, we have to do it. Then we may bounce around this QE1 channel, make a parabolic move to the 2 channel, then break out into our own QE3 channel, which may be steeper, kind of this sort of steepness, and it's raised back up. So there you have it. Depending on what the Bernanke says, we can fall into this second bear channel back to the QE1 range, or continue in this QE2 range. If he says nothing and hints at doing it, then not doing it. It may just bounce around here until we hit 50 end of year, or it may just be parabolic like this, and we may hit 50 by say August, September, if we do decide to do it. So we shall see. That's my take, and thanks for watching the halftime show. Please enjoy the rest of the Mavs versus Heat game. Good luck to us all. Keep stacking. SilverTraderFM. I'm out for now.